My name's Janet Walker, and I want to welcome you to Taste and See. Tonight, we're going to have a special guest. The guest is going to be my husband, Robin Walker. You're welcome to come on in the set, Robin. Robin is going to make an egg. He's not going to make any kind of egg. He's going to make the perfect egg. We also have with us a professional chef. Here's Abby. Abby Wilkinson is a friend of ours, and she has graduated from Cordon Bleu in Austin. She's going to taste the egg to see if it's perfect. So let's give him the show. Go ahead, Robin.
Yes, this is the perfect egg. And the first thing you want to do is you take a pan and you cut off a pat of butter like this, put it in the pan, and then you put it over heat. So let's get the burner turned on here. Okay, and then you wait until the butter is entirely melted. And then once it's entirely melted, you can see it's starting to melt now. Then you go and take a little bit of water and you put it in. So we're going to set this aside. And I already have a pan here with some melted butter in it. Just a minute here while we get the burners working. And okay. Uh-oh. Oops, this isn't working right. We better do it this way. Oof, there we go. All right. You have to get it down to a low heat, fairly low heat, because you don't want the butter to brown or burn. Then we add a little bit of water, because what's going to happen is the butter is going to cook the bottom of the egg, and the water is going to steam the top of the egg. So let's break the egg. Success, no broken yolk. 2! All right. Okay. Now we have to put a cover on it so that it steams properly, because we want to keep the moisture. And I'm taking, oops. There we go. The water is already heating up. Now this, I learned about how to make this perfect egg from my friend Jim Gerns in Duluth, Minnesota. And Jim's Aunt Mary Johnson, was the one who taught him. And Mary Johnson was the wife of Maynard Johnson, the mortician. So that's why this is going to be the egg to die for. Now I'm watching the egg here, and you want to wait until, you wait until it's properly steamed on top. And in the meantime, while it's cooking here, and I don't want it to be the temperature to be too hot. It's already, the water is boiling in there. So, and the steam is starting to steam the top. So let's take and get our toast ready, because this will be a poached egg on toast. Oops, it's a little bit high. Let's get it a little bit lower there. Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's looking good.
It's already cooking on the top from the steam. So, oops, already. There we go. The toast is ready. And it looks like the egg is perfectly done. Let's turn the burner off. Take the top off. I don't know if you can see that there, but now all we do is, because the butter keeps it smooth, we just slide the egg. We just slide the egg off onto the toast, just like that. Then, this is something my wife Janet learned from her cousin Mary up in Dallas. And this is a great pepper grinder. So you just go back and forth a couple of times, get the right amount of pepper on it, add a little bit of salt, and voila! And here we go. And Chef Abby, would you do the honors?
I would love to. Thank you so much. Well, this looks like a beautiful, beautiful egg. It's cooked on top nicely. So I'm just going to cut a piece. Oh, and I love that. The yolk is just perfect. Okay, let's see here. Mmm. That is a perfect egg.
Yay, yay. Abby, thank you
Yes.
for coming to the show.
Thank you for having
And
me.
I want to dedicate this one show to my brother Bobby. Thank you for coming to Taste and See tonight, and we hope to see you again. Goodbye.